Imagine biting into the softest, fluffiest chocolate chip muffin with melted chocolate in every bite. Now, what if I told you most people make one simple mistake that ruins their muffins? Don't worry, I'm about to show you exactly how to make the perfect batch, and once you try this, you will never go back. So first I'm going to be going in with my eggs, and then I'm going to be adding my full cream milk and then my vanilla flavor, and then I'm just going to be using my whisk to whisk this all together. And then in another bowl I'm going to be adding my dry ingredients. So this is my all-purpose flour going into the bowl. Next I'm going to be adding my sugar, and then I'm also going to be adding my baking powder and my salt. Now please, if you're using salted butter, please omit the salt in this recipe, or if you're using margarine, omit the salt in the recipe. I used unsalted butter in this recipe, that was why I added salt to it. Now to the star of the moment, chocolate chips. You can see how generous I was with the addition of the chocolate chips. All measurements for this recipe will be in the comment section, in the caption, sorry. So now I'm going to be adding my wet ingredients and also my melted unsalted butter to this recipe. Now the mistake most people make when making their muffins is overmixing. So avoid overmixing your batter. Gently use your spatula to fold in your batter. So that is that one mistake that makes your muffin turn out hard. You have to gently fold it in the way I'm doing it in this video and avoid overmixing. You don't need an hand mixer for this recipe. All you need is your spatula and 2 bowls and you're good to go. So when I'm done mixing it in, I'm going to put it in my muffin cases, and then I'm just going to sprinkle it with cinnamon and sugar mixture, and then put it in the oven and let it bake. And now, so this is what we have here. This muffin is so soft, it's so fluffy. With every bite you're just going to be having chocolate in it. This looks beautiful. This looks like it's very fluffy, it's very soft, it is not hard at all. So avoid making the mistake of over mixing your muffin so that you come out with a very fluffy, nice and gooey chocolate chip muffin. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.